What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Jesse W. And today we're going to go over a very simple and new savings account. Check it out. All right, guys. So I'm going to show you this new they do have a checking account, but I'm going to show you the savings account from Betterment Everyday. I got an email from Betterment recently. I think it was like 2 days ago or 3 days ago, regarding this savings account. So I wanted to, dig into it, see what it was all about, and then do a video to tell you about it because most savings accounts out there have less than a percent of interest that you make on your money while it's sitting there in the bank. So it's really nice when you can find something that's going to make you some profit. Your money's just sitting there and they're using it, right? You might as well get some benefit out of the deal. I saw this and I was intrigued because it's at this time right now, as of July 27th, 2019, 2.68% on a savings account is the biggest on the market. No one has that. No one. So I thought it was interesting and I wanted to take a deeper look into it. And there's a number of things, that will work out, and some things that I don't like too much. But we'll go over it together and check it out. But before we do that, you know what time it is. Smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. All right, it really helps me out. It goes a long way. I put a lot of time into these videos and I enjoy it thoroughly. Like, I really, really enjoy doing these YouTube videos and talking with you guys in the comment section. I love it when you send me some DMs on Instagram and Twitter. I love talking with all you guys. This is all fun to me, but I really need, that help from you guys. Smash that like button for me. It helps me with the algorithm. It helps me grow this channel, which translates to me being able to do more videos. All right, so let's jump into this Betterment Everyday. What is it about? So this is a savings and checking account platform that helps you save in your sleep, it says. You can earn up to 2.68%. Well, that's not bad at all, right? So let's take a look a little bit deeper and see what's going on with this. So normally, let's see here. Okay, here's all the fine print. I'm not going to get in here and highlight all of this for you. If you really want to dig deeper, you can always read about it. I'm logged into my Betterment account. That's why this bar is here. As you know or might not know, depending when this video goes live, I have a $1,000 Betterment challenge that I'm doing. So if you haven't seen that video yet, make sure you look for it. If it's not out yet, because I don't know which one's going to air first, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. That way you're alerted when that video drops. I think you're really, really going to like that video. It's starting a $1,000, kind of like an investment account with, well, it is an investment account, $1,000 investment account with Betterment. I call it the $1,000 Betterment Challenge. So I've already dug through all of this fun stuff. I've already dug through it. And I had the notes for you, okay? So the Betterment savings account is going to start off at 2.43%, which is still extremely good, okay? So you're going to start off at 2.43% interest on your money. And that's a great, great return on your investment, on your money, on your savings account, because this is not an investment account, okay? So you can't lose any money. It's your savings account. It just has a really nice interest rate on it. Now, the 2.69% is locked. You don't get that right at the gates. That's already kind of like, why? Why are you making me jump through hoops? In order to get the 2.69%, you have to sign up for their checking account. Now, their checking account has no fees and no minimum balance as far as I've read. Okay, this could change. Now, when you sign up for that, you are put on a waiting list. Now, you got to wait until they, unlock it and approve it for you so that you can start, putting money into the checking and savings account. Now, once all that's done, your savings account at 2.69% is unlocked and you have access to it. You can put your money in there, okay? Now, there's another little stipulation. That one is that 2.69% promotional rate is good through December 31st, 2019. So, depending by the time you watch this video, depending by the time you sign up for the Betterment checking account, depending by the checking account waiting list, depending by the time you get approved and it gets unlocked and you put your money in, it could be anywhere from a few days to a few weeks to maybe the next 5 months for you to put your money in that savings account and get that 2.69% interest on your money, which is really nice. So does this mean it's going to go away after December 31st, 2019? Well, it can. It can definitely go away, right? And it depends all what the Fed does with the rates moving forward. But yeah, it can go away. Or maybe Betterment says, you know what? I have all these new customers here and they're starting to invest in our other investment accounts since their money's already here, and we're able to pitch them and show them all the other stuff that we do. Then maybe they'll keep that 2.69% as a thank you to their existing customers, and maybe keep it open for new customers that come in, that are being attracted to by this. Because if you sign up for it and you tell your friend, and your friend does it, and your friend tells his brother, and his brother tells his sister, etc., then all of a sudden, that's how business is done. So maybe they'll keep it longer, maybe they won't, we don't know. All we know is that it's available now and one can jump on that. So it's pretty good in that sense. Now, once you're in, you have access obviously to all their other stuff, like, their investment accounts. And I've shown these to you guys, or I have shown it to you guys in the other video I'm doing. But we'll go ahead and go over it real quickly here. We'll go ahead and click home. I don't know why. This is why. Okay, so here we are, and you can do a number of things. You can save for a major purchase, which this is going to be an investment account, so you can lose money. My Betterment $1,000 challenge, which I'm starting, it'll soon have a $1,000 balance as of August 1st. That's the first day of the challenge. You can, plan and invest for retirement, stuff like that. So they have a bunch of tools in here that you can use to invest. Now I do go over a little bit more detailed the fees that they have for their investments and what I personally would do. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just what I am personally doing. And you can check it out. The video is actually up. The video is actually up because the Betterment Challenge, I need to get that video up before or by August 1st, actually. So that'll be the first video out. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's the plan. And I've shown you about the 2.69% return on your savings account with them, and the video to the Betterment $1,000 challenge is going to be linked here at the end, so you can watch that. I think you're really going to enjoy that video a lot. Let me know what you're doing. Have you found a better savings account with a bigger interest rate? If you have, drop it in the comment section below. I would love to transfer my money over there. If you haven't, and you want to use this one, the link's in the description below as well, so you can sign up to the Betterment, start a Betterment account. I hope you're having a great day, excellent start to your week. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Remember to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Description section has those links, and I will catch you on the next one.